listen closely. This isn't one of those tools you keep hearing about. This is a powerful AI platform that can generate extremely realistic images and videos for free. But the craziest part is, most people can't even access it unless they know the right way in. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to unlock it, and at the end of the video, I'll reveal a second secret tool that's even more effective. Let's get straight into it. Okay, the first tool we're talking about is Dremina AI. It's a free platform for image and video generation. But here's the catch. As you can see, it's in Chinese and it's not available in most countries. So first step, you'll need to translate the website. Next, to get it to work, you have to make the site think you're visiting from a supported region. Once that's handled, refresh the page. And we're in. Oh, and one critical tip. You must use a brand new account that has never visited this site before. If you use an old one, it just won't let you generate. First, let's generate an image. I'll try this. A golden retriever wearing glasses, reading a book. It's processing now. Okay, as you can see, it generated the image. It's bright and the texture of the fur is great. After it's done, you can choose to upscale, retouch, expand. It's fully featured. Next, let's give it something harder, something these tools usually fail at. I'll type, a crowded subway car, people looking down at their phones. This is to test its ability to handle multiple subjects. After it generates, you can clearly see the main faces are clean, and more importantly, look at the people in the background. No weird glitches or distortions. This is awesome. Most free tools would just mess up the background faces. This is what I'm talking about. The quality and realism of this tool, honestly, it shocked me. This is a hidden, underrated tool that's worth the extra steps to unlock. It can even generate an animated style of the image if you're into that. And it can generate images in different scenes and angles. After generating images, let's try to generate a video. We'll use a text-to-video prompt. The prompt is, a knight riding a horse through a magical forest with glowing particles in the air. This is to test its motion, lighting, and how it handles special effects. After it finished, the video was outstanding. It was able to generate this seamlessly without any glitches or distortions. Even these glowing particles are no problem. Even the horse's movement as the camera pushes in is very realistic. Next, let's ask ChatGPT for a really difficult prompt. It gave me this, a city made of crystal floating in the clouds at dusk. I'll go to the Explore page and generate that image. Now you can clearly see the image it generated is beautiful and high quality. Even though this is a very abstract prompt, it was still able to generate something that makes sense, and it followed the prompt accurately. If you read the prompt from ChatGPT, you'd know it followed it accurately. It also has an advanced feature, AI avatars. The workflow is simple. You just upload your portrait photo, input the audio, and you should be able to create a video of someone speaking naturally. For example, I put in this image and it was able to generate this video seamlessly without weird glitches or mouth movements.
Hey, friends! Today I'm going to show you an AI tool that is beyond imagination. I can't wait for you to see how powerful it is, how many complex tasks it can handle, and how it will completely change your workflow.
Okay, so you've now learned how to use the first tool. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any future updates. Now it's time for that second secret tool I told you about. Most of you might already know it. The name is Hailuo AI. It's a free text-to-image and text-to-video platform, and it also has an image-to-video generator. I'm just going to quickly go over some of its amazing features. For example, on the front page, you can see some already generated videos that are really nice and high quality. Next, you can see some templates, like this love frame, that you can easily try. Now let's generate an image. We'll generate a robot DJ spinning records at a neon party. The image came out clean, colorful, and bright with clear expressions and no weird glitches or distortions. Next, we're going to test its strongest feature, character consistency. I'm going to upload the robot DJ picture we just made. Then my new prompt is the same robot DJ walking down a rainy city street. Okay, let's hit generate. As you can see, it generated the image with the same character. It kept his face, or, well, his head, perfectly consistent while also generating him in the new scene. Next, what we're going to do is turn this image into a video. I'll type in the image to video prompt. We'll write, he's walking down the street, and he's also doing some dance moves, showing he's listening to and enjoying the music. I'll keep the prompt simple. Okay, before we generate, we'll just adjust the resolution and time. We'll use the Halo model. As you can see, it generated the video. The character is moving, there are no glitches in the background, and no weird body movements from him. The AI was completely able to perform the task it was given. Now let's generate. A chef placing a cherry on a complex dessert. Close-up shot. After generating the image, we'll turn it into a video. I'll just write a simple prompt. He carefully sprinkles powdered sugar on the dessert. Natural motion. When the generation finished, I was pretty surprised to see that it was actually able to generate the tiny particles of powdered sugar falling, and his motion was natural. Trust me, you're going to want to check this out. Okay, now I'm going to show you another interesting feature Halo AI has. It also has voice clone, voice design, and a voice separator. Let's test the text-to-speech feature. We'll write something simple here just so we can understand how well this AI generates voices. We'll just write, "Can you believe this is an AI voice?" Next, as you can see, there are also options to adjust the speed, pitch, and volume of the sound. There are also numerous voice options to choose from. Now let's generate and see how the audio sounds.
Can you believe this is an AI voice?
After generation, the audio came out sounding real and natural, almost more real than a human voice. Okay, so that's where this video is going to come to an end. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a secret that only a few people know, but it can definitely help you create next-level AI content. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video.
Hey, friends! Today I'm going to show you an AI tool that is beyond imagination. I can't wait for you to see how powerful it is, how many complex tasks it can handle, and how it will completely change your workflow.